Today I'm diving into Mailchimp to show you exactly what it's like to use this email marketing platform from the perspective of a real user. When you first sign in, the dashboard is clean and relatively intuitive. There's a main navigation bar on the left that gives quick access to campaigns, automations, audience tools, and reports. Setting up your first email campaign is pretty straightforward. Mailchimp walks you through the process step by step with a helpful wizard. You choose an audience, pick from a range of templates, customize your message with a drag-and-drop builder, and schedule or send your email. One major highlight of Mailchimp is its template library. While not as vast as some competitors, the designs are modern, responsive, and easy to personalize. However, you may run into limitations if you're looking for highly custom design elements without upgrading to a paid plan. The automation features are fairly robust for beginners. You can set up welcome sequences, cart abandonment emails, and even behavior-triggered flows. Unfortunately, more advanced workflows, like A/B testing or multi-path journeys, are locked behind higher-tier plans, which may be a downside if you're on a tight budget. Audience management is another core strength of Mailchimp. It lets you segment contacts based on tags, behaviors, and purchase activity, though the interface can be a bit clunky when managing large lists. Still, it provides solid data insights through its reporting tools, which offer open rates, click rates, and e-commerce tracking if your store is integrated. The integration options are impressive. Mailchimp connects easily with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. However, syncing issues can sometimes occur, and customer support is not always quick to respond, especially for free-tier users. Pricing is probably one of the most controversial points. While Mailchimp offers a free plan, the features are heavily restricted. As your contact list grows, the pricing scales aggressively. Many users find themselves forced into higher price plans just to maintain access to automation or support. Many useful links you can find in the description. If you're looking for a simple email marketing tool for basic campaigns, Mailchimp delivers. The learning curve is gentle, and the platform has good documentation. But if you're after granular customization, detailed automation, or premium support, you might find Mailchimp underwhelming unless you're ready to pay for a higher tier plan. Also worth noting is that Mailchimp's deliverability rates are generally solid, but occasionally emails can end up in promotions or spam folders, depending on your subject lines and sending history. Testing is essential. Overall, Mailchimp is a convenient entry point into email marketing. It's best suited for small businesses, bloggers, and beginners who need easy-to-use tools and aren't ready to invest heavily right away. For more advanced marketers, the platform may feel restrictive unless you commit to a premium subscription. If this review helped you decide whether Mailchimp is right for you, please like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.